Thank you, Manoj. And first of all, I would like to thank all our attendees who have taken time out and attending webinars. And the attendance is again very impressive. Like every time, it is. I can see more and more people, new people join. We show that people are interested और उनको पसंद आ रहे हैं हमारे प्रोग्राम. ये तो हमने कोशिश की थी, मनोज जी और हमने ऐसे एक बार डिस्कस किया था. राजू हिरानी भी थे, हमारे जगदीश जी भी थे कि why don't we do webinars? We were not very sure how people will take this. बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू शेयर कि लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है और हमें अच्छे फीडबैक्स मिल रहे हैं, लोगों की जानकारी बढ़ रही है, स्पेशली इन दिस एंड like there's a silver lining. Like you said, it's very difficult to have access to Anand ji, Suzy. Sometimes because of people are available, COVID times hai, so it's something, the silver lining in everything, I would say. Okay, now अभी हम जो ये सब पहले मैंने आपके बारे में बताया, ये सब इट्स मोर ऑफ अ पैशन से ये सब कार्यक्रम स्टार्ट हुआ. हमारी जो कंपनी है MM एक्टिव, वी आर मोर ऑफ अ टेक्नोलॉजी communication company. हम लोग business conferences, international exhibitions on various subjects like IT, biotech, nanotechnology, all cutting science technologies. Space पे भी करते हैं, काफी programs last 20 years we are doing, and quite they've been very well received, and we are pioneers in that. But हुआ है कि then we thought कि what is the use of technology अगर इससे हमारे citizens और disabled people को फायदा ना हो. You know, our guru is Dr. Mashelkar. He was saying science and technology is, I mean, labs तक ना रहे, वो लोगों तक पहुंचनी चाहिए. देखिए इतनी इतनी चीजें बन रही हैं, तो why not that should be disseminated down the line, लोगों को जानकारी मिले, उनकी लाइफ अच्छी हो. That is the whole objective. So we thought, so and I personally, I was talking to Rajkumar Hirani, तो after this movie लगेर और मुन्ना भाई, उसमें second innings मुझे बहुत impress हो गया मैं. तो मैंने कहा जब मेरी second innings शुरू होगी, which was just recent, I turned 60. I said I'll give back whatever I've learned. I'll take a new role and do these programs, try and connect people. उनके लिए कार्यक्रम करेंगे, एग्जीबिशंस करेंगे और भी कई चीजें करेंगे. तो एक तो हम ऐप की बात हमने की है जिससे आप जानकारी मिलेगी, और दूसरी फिर हमने बोला कि देयर इज लॉट ऑफ सिनर्जी बिटवीन सीनियर सिटीजंस एंड पीपल विद डिसेबिलिटीज. देखिए दोनों की रिक्वायरमेंट काफी चीजें कॉमन है, जैसे हियरिंग एड्स है, देन यू नीड वॉकर्स है, और भी असिस्टिव टेक्नोलॉजीज होती है जिससे उनकी लाइफ बेहतर बन सकती है. तो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैड अ कॉन्सेप्ट विद थैंक्स टू द ग्रेसफुल लिविंग मनोज एंड टीम और आप सबकी वेल विशर्स जो हमारे साथ है. वी हैव कॉइंड प्रोग्राम कॉल्ड एबल लिविंग. नाउ एबल लिविंग विल इनकम्पस not only senior citizens but also people with disabilities. So you know उनके लिए भी काम हो रहा है हिंदुस्तान में. So we thought it's a umbrella. So graceful living is a partner which focuses on senior citizen care more, and also we'll be doing programs on disabilities. तो हमने ये एक प्रोग्राम हम तय किया है हमने कि फरवरी में एक बड़ा प्रोग्राम करेंगे. आइडियली हमारा ड्रीम था कि एक एग्जीबिशन होगा बहुत बड़ा, उसमें there'll be lot of stalls and you know products will be displayed on assistive technologies. Like one of the most important requirement of a senior citizen is job opportunities or engagement opportunities. Technically, a person retires at 60. That's the retiring age in India. In the governments, private sector में लोग आगे भी काम करते हैं, लेकिन फिर उसके बाद they're still useful. Like I was surprised, मैं यहाँ रहता हूँ फौजियों की कॉलोनी में, they retire at 52. And if he's a brigadier or general, maybe 58, 60. But max is 60, 61. And they are so healthy, so fit. They don't know what to do. And they have so much of knowledge. They are good in administration. Likewise, private sector also. Now today, if I retire, मेरा तो 60 हो गया, चलो घर पे बैठ जाते. Like Suzy also said, Anand also said, and Dr. Prem said, कि there's a wealth of tajurba and information, education, senior citizens के पास. लेकिन उसका फिर आगे like सब कुछ हम यहीं छोड़ के जाएंगे ना. Why don't we distribute that? और उससे एक तो senior citizens will be engaged. You know, they will also feel happy that वो लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं. For example, like I met one lady. She is almost 80. मेरे friend की mother थी. She was also getting very frustrated. उसके बच्चे बाहर रहते थे. What to do? But then we talked to her. We discovered कि she was excellent in French language, and she said, "Why don't I start teaching French online?" तो फिर हमने एक ग्रुप बनाया. ऐसे just an experiment. About 20 kids joined on Zoom. So you know, then she was so happy. Every day she'll get ready because tuition लेनी है. अपना एकदम चमक के बैठेगी. She was looking like Suzy said, रोज सुबह उठ के, what are you looking forward today? So ये सब चीजें हम, you know, then of course this is one important aspect is engagement and career opportunities. That's a job fair we want to do along with our exhibition. Then display of technologies and products which are useful to senior citizens. That could be hearing aids, assistive technologies, and many other gadgets which can be used, like आजकल कोविड का जमाना है, nobody wants a doctor to come home. अपने शुगर खुद भी टेस्ट करना आना चाहिए ना, केयर गिवर को भी आना चाहिए. आजकल हम लोग छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए nobody will come and assist you. So, but who will teach them? So we want to spread this message to the caregivers, have some workshops for them, so that small things you can do at home, like seeing the BP. अभी ऑक्सीमीटर आया है, कोविड टाइम से उनकी ऑक्सीजन लेवल कितनी है. See that this is all very basic things. हफ्ते में एक बार चेक कर लिया सब. Like it's a fun activity and make a chart, note करते रहिए, and then share it with the doctor. Like even Prem had said last time, even I think government is considering video conference legally so that, a doctor visit is not mandatory maybe. Lot of things, they don't have to go to the doctor. वो उनको सिखा सकता है फोन पे या वीडियो पे कि आप कैसी ट्रीटमेंट लें, उनको देख के. तो this all technology will help. So our program, which we're going to do in February, will encompass all this. We want to empower the lives of senior citizens and people with disability. So we'll have exhibition, we'll have knowledge sharing. Like आज हमारे साथ इतने दिग्गज लोग हैं, वो सब उस कॉन्फ्रेंस में हमको बुलाएंगे फेब में जब करेंगे. It could be physical format or virtual. अभी डिपेंड्स, अभी कोविड कैसे आगे प्रोग्रेस करता है, what are the government guidelines, वे तो हम एग्जीबिशन कर सकते हैं. Nevertheless, लेकिन हम प्रोग्राम का हमारा डिजायर है कि बहुत बड़े लेवल पे करेंगे, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे करेंगे. And I'm happy to share कि Indo-German Chamber, the Germany has already supporting us for this, and we are writing to government. We're also writing to PMO for his blessings and support, to various concerned ministries like social justice. There are so many ministries, but they don't know how to put it together. So that is the objective. Then we'll have celebration, we'll have awards, there'll be conference, and it's a mega. We want to do it a mega, and it should be useful to everybody. And even if it doesn't happen physically, we'll do it on a virtual platform, which very good